In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super simple way in which you can actually make money online. There is no investment required. There is no knowledge required. There is no special skills required. You don't need to invite people to a website. They don't need to sign up or anything. And actually, it's super easy, super simple. You just need to have a cell phone. It doesn't matter. It can be an Android device or it can be an iOS. If you have a computer, that's okay. It can be a desktop, it can be a laptop, and you're gonna be ready to roll. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna show you a simple way that it works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you guys are, and you're going to be making money online. The only two things that you actually need is an internet connection, and if you're watching this video, you already have it, and you need to have a cell phone or a computer. And if you're watching this video, you already have it. Please make sure that you're going to watch this entire video because I'm going to guide you step by step just to make sure that you're not going to miss anything and you're going to be earning money. By the way, guys, at the end of the video, I'm going to be revealing a bonus. Yeah, another way in which you can actually make money online, but that's going to be at the end of the video. Now, we're going to need a couple of things. The very first thing is that we need to go to the website called g2.com. Yeah, G as in George, the number 2.com. Okay, this is a website in which you guys are going to be sharing reviews. Okay, if you don't know anything about reviews, this is your very first time, don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can actually leave a review. Okay, basically you're going to be sharing your experience with a software. Okay, and G2 is ready to pay you, okay, for every review you leave. Yeah, just like that. Okay, you are not going to be selling anything. You're not going to be referring anyone to this page. Here on the left side, you're going to see the most popular software categories. For example, project management, video conferencing, e-commerce platform, marketing automation, accounting, the CRM, and so on. Okay, these are the most popular categories. And here you're going to see that if you're using a software, you can write a review. You don't need to record a video, okay, about the software. It's simple, okay? You just need to share it. Here there's other ways, and some testimonials. Like if you're also selling a software, we are actually not selling anything. We just want to share our experience, okay? Here, people are tracking, yada yada. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to the top and we're going to click here where it says write a review. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. This is going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, please let me know what type of software or apps do you like to use. Maybe you enjoy watching content on YouTube. Maybe you prefer to be more social and use platforms such as Facebook, or maybe you are so involved in your day job that you're using other software. So please let me know which software or apps do you actually enjoy. Leave it in the comment area. So remember, we're gonna go and click here where it says write a review, and you're gonna land on this page. It says let's find the software and service you use at work. Okay, so it can be for an e-commerce. If you are a designer, perfect. If you're on the finance and accountant, if you are, a project management, you are actually gonna choose a category. Okay, you're gonna choose a category. Let's say that we're gonna go with marketing. Okay, it's gonna show you all the softwares that they have on their database. Okay, they're going to show you all the software that they do have on their database. For example, for video conference, okay, if you use Livestorm, if you use Bizball, Webroom. Okay, if you don't see the software that you're using, you can click here where it says search all and you can type it. If you do email marketing, maybe you use Dropbox for your business. Okay, if you take surveys, okay, and you have some kind of experience, you're gonna click here and then you're gonna click on continue. As you can see, I've been working on this before, so that's the reason why I have 2 products. So I need to take this one because I'm gonna be reviewing one. Okay, after I click here where it says continue, it's gonna ask me to rate my experience. Okay, so I can add, like, okay, if I really don't like the experience with this software, it's gonna be 1 star. If I really enjoy the experience with this software, it's gonna be 5 stars. Okay, it's gonna ask me for a title and it's gonna ask me for my review. What if I don't have any kind of reviews with, any kind of experience with these softwares? Okay, you're not going to be selling anything. You're going to be using Google. Also, you're going to be using Google if you have some experience with this and you don't know how to fill out the information. Okay, so you're going to go to Google. In my case, I'm going to be doing a review for this software that it's already here on g2.com. Okay, as you can see, it's already here on g2.com. If I click here, you're going to see the review page. Okay, you're going to see what the software is, who is this for, if people are doing comparison, and you're going to see reviews from other people. You see most people really like it. It has 4 stars. Some people don't like it. It has a 1 star. Okay, there are people who decide to go with a video review. You don't need to leave a video review. And you're going to see here really detailed information about this. This is the title, okay? When the company asks you for the title, it's going to be this one. It can be a catchy title. You can use this as an example, but make sure to paraphrase it, okay? Here, what I mentioned about the stars. Okay, and here is a brief explanation about what these people or what this person likes about it and what does he dislikes about it. If he finds some, some recommendations, he leaves some recommendations here as well. Okay, so it's basically tests. You're gonna see they're pretty short, straight to the point. Okay, there are others who really don't like it. This lady, she love it. Okay, so if I go to another website, the same. Okay, you're gonna see that it's actually the same. Here, the star thing, like they rate it with stars. Again, it has 4 stars. So people are really like it. In this website in particular, it doesn't have any 1 star. And you're gonna see favorable reviews and critical reviews. Okay, if you click here, you're gonna see more reviews, over 220 reviews. That's something that you can do. You can go with G2. You can find exactly saying, okay, I'm gonna go with ISON. Okay, you are gonna type the name of the software, review. Okay, the name of the software, review. In that case, it's gonna be ISON review. It's gonna be Segmentino review. Okay, I don't know, maybe you are doing a review for Zoom. It can be Zoom review. Okay, and you're gonna find these kind of websites. You can keep using the top 3, or if you scroll down, you can find more websites with reviews. Okay, so this is a simple way in which you can actually earn money by doing review. I know this is time consuming and you need to put the hours. Okay, but if you guys want to know what's my number 1 recommendations to make money online, I mean making money while you travel, making money while you're asleep, being able to fire your boss, replace your 9 to 5, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the link with my number 1 recommendations to make money online. So please make sure to visit that link so you can have the opportunity or you can give yourself, the opportunity to change your life. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. This is gonna be helping me. It's gonna be helping my video. It's gonna be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. Again, if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'd be more than happy to answer them. And I see you on the next video.